Are you getting tired of those negative thoughts that seem like they just automatically keep playing daily in your mind? My name is Isis Love. I'm a certified hypnotherapist, and I want to break down how you can break free and conquer the automatic negative type of thoughts that run in your mind. So, automatic negative thoughts, better known as ANTs, hold impressional power over our lives, casting doubt, fear, and negativity. But we have the power to break free, identifying automatic negative thoughts and challenging their beliefs. Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations, focusing on your strengths and your accomplishments. Practicing cognitive reconstruction, reframing negative thoughts by analyzing evidence and developing realistic alternatives. Reshape your perspective, enabling growth and resilience. Nurture yourself. Nurture yourself with self compassion and self care. Treat yourself with kindness and engage in activities that bring joy and fulfillment. Build a supportive network. Surround yourself with uplifting individuals who share your journey, providing strength and inspiration. Embrace mindfulness. Observe thoughts without judgment. Redirect focus to the present and cultivate gratitude and positivity. Conquering automatic negative thoughts and unleashing your potential rewrites your story and embraces resilience, joy, and fulfillment. Believe in the power of transformation and the power of your thoughts. Share this video today with someone, and I'll catch you on the next.